Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a common issue with the Arlo Video Doorbell, the dreaded red light blinking. If you're seeing this on your device, don't worry. We've got you covered with some troubleshooting steps to get your doorbell back up and running smoothly. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our tech tips and guides. Scene 1. Introduction to the problem. So, what does it mean when your Arlo Video Doorbell has a red light blinking? Typically, this indicates a power or connectivity issue that needs addressing. Here's how you can troubleshoot it step by step. Scene 2, checking power and connections. First things first, let's check the power source. Make sure your Arlo Video Doorbell is securely connected to a power supply that is working properly. If it's battery powered, ensure the batteries are fully charged or replace them if needed. Scene 3, resetting the doorbell. If the power checks out but the red light persists, it's time to reset your Arlo Video Doorbell. To do this, locate the reset button on the device. Press and hold it for about 10 seconds until the LED light turns off, and then release it. This should reset the doorbell and hopefully resolve any minor glitches causing the red light. Scene 4, checking Wi-Fi connectivity. Another common culprit for the red blinking light is Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Ensure that your doorbell is within range of your Wi-Fi router and that the signal is strong. You may also want to restart your router to refresh the connection. Scene 5, contacting support. If you've tried all these steps and the red light blinking issue persists, it might be time to reach out to Arlo's customer support team. They can provide further assistance and may suggest additional troubleshooting steps or even a replacement if necessary. Conclusion. And there you have it, some effective ways to troubleshoot and fix the red light blinking issue on your Arlo Video Doorbell. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or if there are other tech topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.